Professional DJs like David Guetta and martingarrix sometimes just skip mixing entirely and just play the next song. And the reasons why these DJs mixing sounds smooth and seamless are because of two things. Number 1, they play their next song from a specific section. Number 2, they mix out from the current song at a specific section. That transition is called drop mixing, and it's actually not that complicated to do.
Right, left, drill, splash. Yo solo sé que montaron.
In this video I'm going to teach you this easy DJ transition that anyone can do. So with that said, let's talk about the best and easiest ways to drop mix. Electronic songs most of the time have intros, verses, build-ups, choruses, breakdowns and outros. Successful drop mixing is done when you either mix between the same sections like chorus to chorus, or when you mix between different sections like breakdown to intro. So let me give you an example. I want to transition between these two songs. On the first song, I want to transition out when it gets to the chorus section. On the second song, I want to transition in from the intro section. So once you reach the current song's chorus section, I'll stop the current song then trigger the next song via its intro section. All you really need to do to drop mix are two things. Number 1, cue up the next song from the section you want to mix it in. Number 2, be aware of the point you want the mix out on the current song. Sometimes I cue point those sections to serve as visual cues to mix the next track in. Once you reach your incision point on the current song, simply trigger the next song and stop or fade the current song at the same time. Drop mixing is not limited to electronic music. You can use it on other genres too. Once you master this chorus to intro type of drop mixing, it's highly recommended to start exploring other sections to drop mix. In our next tutorial, we take a look at chorus to chorus drop mixing. If this video was helpful, please give us a like and share with a friend. Also, be sure to subscribe for more DJ content.